Hello friends, this is Yitzi Wiener talking, or at least this is a character of me talking. That video was a video of us officially pushing the panic button. There's less than 5 hours, and we have to raise another $75,000 or we lose everything. Please, think of any way that Achim may have benefited your life. Please think of a way that another person you know may have benefited. Imagine what Baltimore would look like if Achim would just stop. Please, be as generous as you can. The whole community is counting on you. Thank you so much.